guys, I'm HP. This is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is the Blue Jeans Blues in the CC top version on the old recording. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button, and also join the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. So, for those who don't know it, quickly a brief introduction. And so on and so on and so on. We're going to check out the riff and some basic ideas what you can play, since this is a classic minor blues and this one is in the key of B. And since we are doing the retro style blue jean blues, we also need a retro sound. That means I'm using here, if you have any possibility of selecting many amps, I'm using here a fractal audio device. This is a Fender amp, Vibralux, plus only spring reverb to give this authentic retro sound. So now let's get started how this thing is played. Guys, as you can see, I'm wearing some blue jeans, so it fits to the topic of the tutorial today. And let's figure out the riff now. When you listen to a recording, I'm quite sure there's two guitars, but we can do it with one guitar. It's a little bit, well, goes like this. So one guitar makes this, and the other one makes comes down here with the B minor chord, here barre, here in the second fret. So you could do it either like this, so it starts at 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So this would be the combination of the two guitars. So you just blend them into each other, or one guitar makes this, and gives the other guitar more time to just do. And to get it more sounding, you press a little bit against the body of the guitar, see, and create this type of vibe. Let's play it 4 times. Then, well, let's play with the backing track. Works pretty well with one guitar. Now goes to the next part. So on the recording, we have 2 variations to go to the first. It comes with a quarter tone bending here, half tone, quarter tone, here something in between, here on the second one. So 1, 2, 3 on 4, 4, and then 1, the low E string, and then you go E minor 7 here in the 7th fret. And there you have to do this pressing against the body to create this type of, this kind of chorus type effect. Second time, instead of doing the quarter tone bending, you go on the 3rd fret. And then it goes back to the first riff. Twice. Then comes the final phase of the riff. F sharp, just a barre, not a barre, a power chord. So 1, 2, and 3, 4, and then ending phrase is just single note like 1, 2, 3, and then goes back to the opening riff. I'm gonna play the whole thing through now. It's not really hard, but it's since the original recording is really in retro and minimalistic style. It has some challenges, I would say, to get the sound right. 2, 3. Now comes the ending. And so on. Okay, on the recording, I mean, ZZ Top was basically a trio, so if you cut away the guitar parts, then you play the riff. So the lead guitar, one guitar, would be play the riff. But as I said, on the recording is also second guitar. But if you want to do it just like in a minimalistic version, just in the trio, then you do like this. So you have a lot of time to do fill-ins in between, and there you do the classic licks. This is a classic lick here. 10, bending in the 9. Or of course, classic, go to the bending and just keep it minimalistic, and then you hit the vibe of the tune pretty well. Sorry, I was a bit confused from all these different versions which you can do, but I would say if you would do the the original version from my point of view, it's just drum, bass and guitar. In this case, this will be the last one here. You just do the riff and then you make fill-ins. Any type of just spacey, easy fill-ins, nothing too hard. I'm going to write something down for you guys. It's going to be available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, something which works for most of you guys. Yo, that was the Blue Jean Blues by ZZ Top from the old recording. I already said I'm going to write down the stuff I show now. The one version, 2 guitars combined, the riff without the fill-ins. Because, because when you play the chord, you cannot do fill-ins. Plus a version, just the basic riff, plus fill-ins. The tab's going to be available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, plus this cool backing track, which I created for you guys. If you love what me and Dr. Pink are doing for the guitar community, please share the knowledge that this channel and this academy exists. Me and Dr. Pink will be really grateful, and please make a premium membership in order to support the work which we are doing for the guitar community. See you guys.